In this column matching, two balls A and B are thrown simultaneously as shown in four different options from a very high tower. So in first option A is thrown upward, B vertically downward. In B second option A is thrown vertically upward, B is thrown horizontally rightward. In C A is again upward, B is making an angle 37 degree with the horizontal, and in fourth option A and B both make 37 degree with horizontal, but A in upward direction, B in downward direction. So there are the four situations. Now in column 2 the options are distance between the two balls after 2 seconds is 16 root 5. Distance between two balls after 2 seconds is 40 meter. Distance between two balls in 2 seconds is 10 root 5 meter. And magnitude of relative velocity of B with respect to A is 5 root 2 meter per second. And magnitude of relative velocity of B with respect to A is 5 root 5 meter per second. So these are the 5 different situations. So in first situation, if I consider for ball A, as it is projected vertically upward at same horizontal level, when it returns, its velocity becomes vertically downward, and that to 10 meter per second. So within this particular, let us find the time of flight to reach at same horizontal level for A. So we can write minus 10 meter per second is equal to 10 meter per second minus g into t. So t is equal to minus 20 meter per second by minus 10 meter per second square, that is equal to 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds, so A takes 2 seconds to come to the position of B, and within 2 seconds B has traveled a distance. SB is equal to 10 into 2 plus half into 10 into 2 square, that is 20 plus 20 or 40 meter. So distance between A and B after 2 seconds is 40 meter, as B has moved 40 meter down and A is at the position B. So for first situation, B has separation between A and B is 40 meter. Q is the correct option for first situation. Now for the second situation, B will be making a parabolic path. It has a horizontal velocity. So after 2 seconds, as we have calculated, A returns to the position of B, and within 2 seconds B moves rightward as well as down. So downward distance traveled by B in second situation, SB dash is equal to 0 into 2 plus half into 10 into 2 square, that is equal to 20 meter. This is the vertical distance traveled 20 meter, and horizontal distance in 2 seconds, this is 10 meter. So distance between A and B, the hypotenuse, let me write it as capital H. So H is equal to under root 20 square plus 10 square, that is 10 root 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 10 root 5 meter. So after 2 seconds, distance between A and B is 10 root 5. This is for B. So option R is correct. Distance between the two balls is 10 root 5 meter. And we also need to find magnitude of relative velocity. Velocity of B and velocity of A after 2 seconds, as both are moving under gravity, their vertical component remains same throughout the time. So V relative horizontal, the vertical component is 10 j cap and the horizontal component is 5 I cap. So its magnitude is equal to under root 10 square plus 5 square. So 5 root 2 square plus 1 or 5 root 5 meter per second. So relative velocity between B and A is root 5 meter per second. So for situation B, the correct options are separation is 10 root 5 meter and relative velocity is 5 root 5 meter per second. So R and T options are the correct option. Similarly, if we go for third situation C, after 2 seconds A returns to its point of projection and the B has two component of velocity. One is v cos 37, other is v sin 37. Sin 37 by 5, so it is 6 meter per second and this is 8 meter per second. So in 2 second vertical distance traveled by B, SBY is equal to 6 into 2 plus half into 10 into 2 square, that is 12 plus 20 or 32 meter, and horizontal distance traveled by B, that is X component, is 8 meter per second into 2, that is equal to 16 meter is the horizontal component. So separation between A and B after 2 seconds, the distance, let it again be h, that is equal to 32 square plus 16 square, that is 16 root 2 square plus 1, that is 16 root 5 meter is the horizontal, the distance between A and B in third C situation. So P option is correct and relative velocity between A and B. So here we have V relative is equal to under root its vertical component is vertically 10 meter per second upward, it is 6 meter per second downward. So 16 square plus 8 square, that is 8 root 2 square plus 1, that is 8 root 5 meter per second is the relative velocity. So in third situation, the correct option is only P. So for C, the answer is option is P. And for the fourth situation, there is horizontal and vertical component of velocity. The horizontal component is 10 cos 37, that is 8 meter per second, and vertical is 6 meter per second. Similarly for A, it is 8 meter per second and 6 meter per second. So within 2 seconds, A will move leftward by 16 meter, B will move rightward by 6 meter. In vertical direction, the distance by A, distance traveled by A in vertical direction is equal to 6 into 2 minus half into 10 into 2 square, that is 12 minus 20, that is equal to minus 8 meter, whereas distance traveled by B, vertical traveled, is minus 6 into 2 minus half into 10 into 2 square, that is equal to minus 32 meter. So the vertical distance between them y is equal to minus 32 minus a, that is equal to minus 24 meter, and horizontal distance x is 8 into 2 plus 8 into 2, that is 32 meters. So separation, let it again be h, is equal to under root x square plus y square, that is 32 square plus 24 square, that is equal to 8 4 square plus 3 square, that is 8 into 5, again it is 40 meter. And relative velocity, we can have the y component of velocity is 12 meter per second and x component of velocity is 16 meter per second. So v relative is equal to under root 12 square plus 16 square, that is 4 root 3 square plus 4 square, that is 4 into 5 or 20 meter per second. So in fourth situation, separation is 40 meter and relative velocity is 20 meter per second after 2 seconds. So the option for D is also Q. So for A the answer is Q, for B the answers are Q, R and T, for C the answer is P, and for D the answer is Q.